Hello friends, welcome to Fearless Mamata channel. Today we are going to discuss some important facts what we can introduce in our lifestyle in nowadays and protect ourselves friends. Uh, First one is we can go for, I will be discussing in 4 sections friends, and you can use it as a medicine, ausadham you can say, or rather Paramaushadham, because this is very important. We have seen our ancient scriptures and we have come to know that we can get mental, physical, spiritual and emotional health. We can practice this by going for fasting. You will say how we can go for fasting? Fasting is the ultimate medicine friends. We were not knowing it and we were not applying it in a proper way. Fasting can be done like this friends. Eat only when your digestive fire actually burns and asks for it, not when your tongue asks for it. When you want to eat, then you see that you have digestive fire burning. You can digest whatever you eat most effectively when your digestive fire burns, and you can feel it by checking the right nostril. If hot air is coming out of right nostril, you can digest whatever you are eating most effectively when the breath is flowing through your right nostril. Just check, because of solar energy flow. Practice any kind of fasting. That can be soup fasting, eating once a day, one meal at a time, whole day fasting, water fasting, intermittent fasting can be done. Friends, just take care of your health by this. Protein into your diet can be increased for enhancing your immunity. Second point which I am going to discuss is fasting of breath. You can hold on your breath for some time and then release. Then again hold on and then release. Each and every cell is working like an engine in our body, which is powered by our intake of breath. Whenever we are taking breath, then all the cells are getting energized with that. Ancient yogis practice fasting. They used to take slow inhalations and gradually they used to breathe out. For that they used to calm down. That helps in calming down. That will help you age slowly. Sometimes you might have seen dogs nearby in your area, or if you have a pet, you might have seen they put their tongue out and they do like that. They breathe very fast. Then you might have seen that they have a very short lifespan. So take care of friends. Your thoughts begin to calm down, become more positive when you breathe in and breathe out slowly, and you can be more positive and you can easily break the negative thinking. Third point is we can go for fasting of hurtful and pessimistic speech. Whenever we talk something hurtful to some other person also, that hurts us also. Very few people have Vak Shakti. They have the power to speak in a proper way to please, and the power of speech to manifest their goals. Very few people have that power. The more consciously you speak, the more joy you get, and you cause joy to others also. This is very pleasing tone you can get by speaking slowly and stopping hurtful speech. Your way of talk grows and your Vak Shakti improves. The fourth and final point which I am going to discuss is fasting of movement. How you can go for it? Fasting movement means sitting still without moving and observing your breath. That we do in sometimes Kapal Bharti, Agnisar, in that we do. Fasting still, by sitting still, either observing your breath, listening to the sounds of nature, if some bird is chirping, some air is blowing, that you can feel. And you can feel you are with the nature and with the divine. Being chanting the name inwardly, whoever you pray, whoever God you worship, you can think of that God and go for it, friends. You can do this, sit still, even if you can sit still for a single minute can do miracles in your life. It can bring down the restlessness in your body. It can bring down the restlessness in your mind, and it will calm down you. You will feel that power inside you. This fasting power you can use. Try practicing these tips, and you can have the power inside your body, mind, and you will be more conscious. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, friends. Mamta signing off.